we're back again. And I put a seat in here. I don't think that this seat is gonna work. There's nearly enough room for me in here. I don't know how far forward I put the steering wheel. And I think it's because of these bolsters for the seat belts are right in the corner of the cab. The seat back. I can stick my hand up past there. So, guess maybe I can go in. And then back a bit. So if the seat is, I'll have to hook up the controls, but if the seat is tilted forward, get in front of that rib there so that the front bolts go into that section. I don't know. I want to be comfortable, so I'm gonna have to climb up in there, but I'm not gonna do it while it's on these floor 4x4 stands with the clecos holding it up. So that's a tomorrow thing. Anyway, it looks pretty good with the caddie seat in there, less the caddie insignia. Oh yeah, can you see me driving? Into the sunset later.